So we have the Ebonite Real Time here. It's the one that I drilled up. And myself on my drill press using my own custom jig. Layout, I believe, is 60 by 4 by 30. I'll put the layout down in the comments below. This is one of 2 Ebonites that I own. I own this one and the Fireball. Lanes are pretty torched right now. So we're dealing with post-league lane conditions, so a little dry. Trying to stand on 25 to 30 board. I was a little too fast on that one. I'm gonna try lofting it, see what we can do with lofting a little bit, just because the fronts are a little dry. I'm gonna have to try to loft it pretty good on this number 3 lane here, because it is pretty cooked. Let me know if you have the real time. If you want to get the real time, I've been seeing nothing but good reviews on the real time. That's why I got it. And yeah, it's a pretty big hook and ball, I'll tell you. Just squeaking by. So not my favorite colors, being purple, but it's all the reviews sold me on it. I lofted it a little bit too high on that one. Didn't give it a chance to come back around. And that is my Storm Clear spare ball that I'm using for spares. All we need is just a little bit of loft on that one. Seems to be doing the trick. That one was sloppy. I shouldn't have got that one. All right, so remember, loft on the left, not so much loft on the right. That's how you do it. That is one hard-hitting ball. Damn. When it hits the pocket, holy moly, look out. So I'm kind of straying away from the bougie balls, the $200 balls, because I'm finding out that the lesser priced balls pretty much do the same shit. A little bit too much in the middle. Yeah, so I bought a surprise ball from Bowling World. Got a Brunswick Hypnotize, and then I bought another one, and I got a Columbia 300 Power Core Pearl. So lucked out. You're getting some high-priced ball for $99. That one did not work at all. Need to get a better release off my fingers on that one. All right, 10th frame. Let's see if we can't finish strong here. Get over at 200. You're getting real games with the real time here. I don't edit anything on my bowling. And what you see is what you get. And would you look at that? I asked for a 200 and I got a 200 on the dot. Not my greatest game, had a one open frame in there. But that's the real time, folks. Let me know if you have the real time, if you like the real time. It's a very strong ball for me. I think I might even be like a first game for the lanes I bowl on. We use light oil here at Napa Bowl. And pearls and medium strength balls do very well here. So we'll see come Wednesday league night. And if you enjoy watching what you saw right now, hit the like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you like this ball, if you have it. I know Ron from CTD, he drilled up 3 of them. He liked them so much, so all the reviews I've seen kind of sold me on them. So, all right, so thanks for watching. See you on the lanes, everybody.